So welcome back everyone. Today we are going to see here some advantages of set comprehension in Python programming. So uh, let's just see here the first theoretical advantage. So here you can see that clearly short and clean code. So you can build a set in just one line instead of writing multiple lines using a for loop. So of course guys, if you would like visit my previous videos of set comprehension, there you would be just clearly get that we have written the very short line of code and we were getting really the logical answers, right? So that was actually the short code and also the cleaner code. As you can see here, the example of squares. This is just a one line of code which is just giving us the square of the range up till 5. Okay. So here we have just defined the range also. We have given the logic also, right? So multiple tasks could be performed out within the single line. So that code also looks clean and also code becomes short, right? So it also removes the duplicate automatically. I mean, it removes the duplicates integer or data types, whatever the data is there inside that, it removes out automatically because you know the property like very, I mean, set is being deferred by the only like only property which is it doesn't supports the duplicacy, right? So yes, also third point we can see here is that it's faster and more efficient. Of course, if the code is going to be short, right, the code's, I would say, execution time will become fast. I mean, it will be lesser. Okay, so set comprehension is often faster than manually adding elements with loops because it uses optimized internal logic. So I think we just saw this point in the list comprehension and dictionary comprehension as well, right? That this comprehensions are really, I mean, this concept of comprehension is really faster and more efficient as compared to other for loops and typical looping and other conditional statements. Okay, so it supports the conditional filtering, as we saw that in the previous videos. If you would check out, we were just performing out conditions in one line. We were trying to get the even numbers, right? We were trying to get the squares. We were trying to just perform, I mean, we were just trying to get the unique I mean, letters and all, right? So this is how we were just performing out different conditions and we were getting the answers. So it supports the conditional filtering as well. And a very I would say the very, I mean, important advantage or like basic point that it's a Pythonic and readable, which supports the normal easier language. And we are here, I mean, by help of this, we can just get the easier code and simple and fast executor code. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much.